Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, my name is Desirae Alexandra and welcome. One, I am currently really sick, but I'm currently packing because we are going to Pasadena and we're gonna go party. Let me go ahead and set this down. I have like the worst lighting in my room. I don't have my lights on. I don't feel like, here, I'll turn them on. It got really bright. I'm currently packing because we're gonna go party in Pasadena and just stay over there and just turn up. Now, I wanted a vlog, but I don't think, of course, well, correction, I don't think I will take my camera. I'll just probably vlog on my phone. That's no fun, but gotta do what you gotta do. Pasadena, we're ready for you. Where's my bitch at?
Bitch is here.
There she is. We're gonna go meet up with some friends and then, oh, my boobs are rated R, rated R. Guys, my dumbass, oh my god, my dumbass would spray perfume in my eye and it's crying. Look how red it is. Get copyrighted. Okay. Oh my god, look at my eye. Where are we walking to, guys? I have not had anything to eat since 12 o'clock. So you can imagine how I am. Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, my name is Desirae Alexandra and welcome. So last night I attempted to vlog, but I didn't really vlog because the night was kind of wild. So last night we all went to Pasadena. We got a hotel and we just partied and got pretty drunk, so I didn't vlog at all. I like vlogged my intro and then that was it. The rest was blank. So I'm here today to just start a new vlog. I just got home probably like 10 minutes ago. I am so hungover. I have my handy dandy water. It is like 2 o'clock. That's late. But I'm barely getting my makeup, trying to like function and stuff. I've been trying to get like more videos out for you guys and I know I've been lagging. I just don't know like what my channel is. Like, is it a beauty channel? Is it a vlog channel? Like, I don't know what you guys want, what you guys like to watch. But today I am just gonna attempt to vlog again. I need to go get some new shoes. Well, new Vans. My Vans are kind of like really old already. I like Vans to just kind of wear every day. I mean, who doesn't? But I think I might get Converse or Vans. I need both because my Converse are ruined and my Vans are just old. Oh, my nose is itchy. I'm also sick. I don't know if you guys can tell with my voice, but I mean, last night I kind of made me feel better drinking, but I'm not sure if that actually works. But yeah, last night was lit. We went to Pasadena. We just like bar hopped. I don't really remember a lot. Yeah, the night was wild. And then we freaking postmated. We freaking got Jack in the Box delivered because we were all really drunk, so we couldn't drive. And if you guys have ever been to Pasadena, like, well, if you're from California, if you guys been to Pasadena, you know there's cops like everywhere. Like everywhere you look, there's a cop. And so we had Jack in the Box delivered because we just really wanted like French fries. And tell me why we got like tacos and just fries. And it was $50. Never again will I spend $50 on delivering Jack in the Box. I haven't had breakfast today. So right now I'm waiting for Jose and Renzo. He's here. He wants to he wanted to collab, but I really don't have time to collab today just my day kind of just started really late. But I'm waiting on them because they're gonna come pick me up so we can go have lunch. If you guys want me to collab with Renzo, because he does have a YouTube channel, what do you guys want to see? Like, if you guys want to see like a muk, he was thinking like a mukbang, and we can talk about how we met, but I don't think that's really interesting because I'm not sure if that would be interesting. Jose and I were supposed to film a video yesterday, and it was going to be a Q&A. I had you guys ask me questions on Instagram. My camera just like stopped recording because it said I don't have memory, and I didn't realize that I still had like Christmas videos and pictures on my camera, so I had to delete that real quick. But like I was saying, I had you guys ask me questions about our relationship on Instagram, and we were supposed to film a mukbang and answer that, but literally we decided to go to Pasadena like last minute, and we just booked a room and was like, let's go party, and that's how my night went. But if you guys want to know like that other side of my life, you guys should already be following me on Instagram and Snapchat to see the inside scoop of that wild, crazy side of my life. Although you guys probably already see it on YouTube because I do a lot of vlogs on them. My hair is a mess. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm gonna finish off my makeup. I'll probably just kind of do a run through of my face, and then we'll get on with our day.
Really?
Thanks, guys. And what's going on with like the matchingness here?
Why not?
You guys are matching head to toe.
Total match.
Look at the shoes.
Bro, you could have done this. Just coming straight to daddy. Just going straight. Oh, this is recording.
It is recording.
Okay. I'm talking about my daughter.
You have no daughter.
And why did you call me daddy? Stupid.
Her son?
That's what she did.
This video is sponsored in part by Rita's.
That's good, huh?
Sorry, what I like the most is the ice cream.
I said ice cream.
Or gelato, or whatever it is.
Custard.
There you go, custard.
This is where we're getting catered to our wedding.
Custard.
Weird.
Catered to our
If you want to be in charge of that, that'd be awesome.
Padrino de ice cream.
Yo soy padrino de diversión. So bring the fun to the party.
Just kidding, there's no padrinos.
There isn't?
No,
Why not?
we don't do that.
We don't do that.
We don't do it.
Necesito padrino de traje, padrino de zapatos.
Padrino de servilletas. ¿Qué pasa ese
And then
desgraciado?
they all get recognized.
¿Qué pasa ese desgraciado?
They're all
Taking a picture for shit. Servilletas.
and they're on the invitation.
It wasn't even like paper towels. It was just like servilletas straight from single ply.
The 99 cents.
Just went to 99 cents for toilet paper and called the squares up.
Oh my god.
Super glued them into swans. They do get all recognized, right?
Yeah,
It's like
invitation, and then they say
everywhere.
party.
That's like quinceañeras, mostly.
Yeah.
My, I'm getting a brain freeze.
Dude, I got a stomach ache. I had a lot of ice cream. Really?
She hasn't seen it.
Oh, she hasn't? Yeah, I
tried watching over there. She's like, no. I'm like,
Oh, Kevin Hart? No, I think Kevin Hart's annoying.
Kevin Hart's
He's
hilarious.
not for
His
everybody.
voice hurts my ears.
He's not for everybody. You either love him or you don't. There's no in between with him.
Kind of like.
So we came to Ogie's. It's just this little hole in the wall in our city. This is actually where me and Jose came when we were 1 month to celebrate 1 month. We used to be that couple that would celebrate every month until after 6 years, you just kind of stop celebrating the months. I had to make sure it wasn't today.
Another for Renzo to celebrate that 2
Oh
years.
yeah, Renzo, you guys know Renzo's like always here. He's like our child. But really he's not. I have not seen him in like 3 weeks.
Oh, shit.
I hadn't seen him in 3 weeks.
When was the last time we saw her?
For a Super Bowl.
Oh,
That was last month.
oh, actually a buzzer.
That was a month ago. And
It's not my fault. You have to make an appointment.
What do you call an alligator that works on Wall Street?
An alligator. Oh, wait, what? An alligator.
Yeah.
Box just from
The pizza's coming!
What do you call an alligator?
Dad jokes right now?
What do you call an alligator that works on Wall Street?
An alligator.
An alley.
Yeah, because he alligates like.
An alley?
Wait, no, wait, what?
What do you call an alligator that works on Wall Street? Like,
If you guys know the answer, comment down below. I'm pretty sure it's stupid.
an investigator.
What the fuck?
Bro, it's an investigator. He's investing on Wall Street.
Why are these jokes so hard to understand?
They're hilarious.
Oh my god.
Alright.
Why are you bouncing over there? Stop it. Stop it. You're making us all bounce.
I don't get that one.
Did you just like Google dad jokes?
Yeah.
A fish with two knees?
A fish with two knees.
Repeat the question.
What do you call a fish with two knees?
Fish knee? Fish stick.
Fishy.
What is it?
A toonie fish.
It's there taking you a while. A two knees?
Like tuna fish? Like toonie fish?
I swear.
Why do melons have weddings?
Melons have weddings.
Why do melons have weddings?
Like melon, like the fruit?
Huh?
Why do melons have weddings?
Like the fruit?
It's actually pretty good.
Something stupid.
I don't know.
Because they have seed. They have seeds.
Because they cantaloupe.
Wow.
That's hysterical, bro.
Guys, our food is here, looking bomb as ever.
Then bust that shit down.
We're still waiting on our pizza, but it's bomb.
On a plate.
Bust that shit down. What's up, Tatianas? Tortillana.
Our pizza's here. Both of them passed out from a food coma. Like, what is going on here? And we tap out. So I just woke up from a nap. Oh my god, I got lipstick everywhere. Let me fix that. Clearly I just woke up from a nap. And Jose's currently sleeping. I have a makeup appointment tomorrow, so I'm going to clean and disinfect all my brushes. I'll kind of show you guys a little glimpse of what I do. So I just used this little mat that I received on Amazon. This is definitely a must when cleaning your brushes. And the soap I use is just this cleanser. I actually bought this for my face and I did not like it. It didn't help clean. It didn't do much to my face, so instead of throwing away, I started using it to clean my brushes. It's not the best. I think I'm gonna try a different technique after I finish this bottle. If you guys have any recommendations on cleaning your brushes, please let me know. I normally just use regular soap to clean my makeup brushes. I just find that it works better and it does the same thing. I typically use Dove bar soap, but like I said, since I had already bought this, it's not so great, but I'm probably gonna go back with the Dove soap because that thing pretty sucks. This is how it's going so far. And then I have these, and then I still have all that to do. So, pretty busy day for me. So, we came to the Nike outlet store. Basically, they're like discounted Nike stuff. I'm getting these shoes for $24. What are you getting?
Bro, so I guess 13 and up, they get
Whatever the price is on here was 30% off.
I think all the shoes are 30%. All the shoes are 30% off. All the shoes are 30% off.
You get to customize it.
So look, I'm getting these shoes
No, but yeah, but you guys have, like, let's say, like, if you guys find these in a smaller size,
for
price is gonna be
$24. You
higher.
can't even see it. How much are those?
$29.
These are 24
Yeah, I
plus
know. I'm
30.
coming up with these guys, bro.
Yeah.
Touch 'em?
It's like freaking Black Friday in here though. Look at that family right there. It's crazy.
When I get older.
So yeah, this is the place to come
Those orange ones over
where
there.
to come up if you want good Nike V's.
Those orange ones over there.
But literally, look at that family. I just look at that family.
We say 16. Fuck. How much are they? $5?
Crazy.
Probably.
They literally have everything loaded on the floor.
I work here.
Represent. You seem like a baby cuddled up next to me.
I'm tired.
So this is our night. My body is aching really
My
bad.
stomach feels like shit.
Oh yeah, Jose.
God.
You just had to poop.
No, I don't think it's that.
Jose, you can get makeup on your tee. You can get makeup on your t-shirt. My body aches really bad. Jose, can you give me a massage?
No. I'm gonna give you a massage like you give me a massage. I got you.
Ow. I'm not that rough.
I'm tired. That's literally you.
Wait, no, I'm being serious. Like, it hurts really bad.
No.
So, I'm gonna call it a night.
We're gonna call it a night. What do you mean you? We're
Well-
both in this video. What the hell?
It's my channel.
Okay. I come up with the funny stuff, alright?
You barely even come out. Look, you're only halfway in my shot.
Oh, you're not even getting my. You told me to go higher. Like you want me to be like right there?
Wait, no, not on my pillows. Not on the pillows. You're putting my face on the pillows. I'll see you guys in my next video. Tomorrow I have that makeup appointment, so I'm not gonna vlog. Cause I don't vlog my clients. They probably
They don't like to be put out there.
I'm sure they wouldn't. They'd be like, what the hell? So until next time, I'll see you guys in my next video. No.
That's a good finish.
Bye. You know my vibes.
What?
Why did peace? Who does peace signs now?